What is up, guys? You've made it to part 2 on how to wire the blower cover. So starting off with the wiring harness that comes in the kit, you've got your relay, your 10 amp fuse and fuse block. You've got 2 grounds and 2 powers. So you've got your relay ground, your switch harness right there that's running all the way up to the switch is disconnectable, your switch power and ground, and then your fuse positive or your fused hot as well. And that white wire, that is your signal wire. The black and red terminals are directly wired to the fan. And these kits will come pre-wired depending on how you order the kit. It will come with the connectors already pre-wired for you to do a direct plug and play install. So we're going to go ahead and simulate this so we can show you how it works, and it's going to help you decide on how you plan on having it wired up. So we're going to take both of our positives and both of our grounds, and we're going to be hooking them up to a 12 volt hot and negative. And we're going to be hooking these to the ground posts on the battery, or if you've got a power distribution block, that'll work as well. So that's simulating a ground hookup on the battery. And then we've got our 2 positives, one for the relay, one for the LED on the switch. That's going to the positive on the battery. You will know it's correct when you've got a red light on your switch. And then for a traditional wiring, you're going to be going red to red and black to black. You'll have a connector here in this harness. So traditional wiring, go ahead and turn it on. Green light. Traditional wiring, fan is going to be blowing in from the outside of the vehicle. For reverse wiring, you're going to be going red to black and black to red. And that's going to be pulling from the inside to the outside of the vehicle. And to run this without a switch, to tie it into your factory fan wiring, all you're going to do is you're going to be getting rid of this entire harness right here, switch everything, and then you're going to cut the white wire and you're going to splice that into your positive on the factory fan harness. And what that's going to do is whenever your factory fan kicks on, it's going to trigger the vent fan to kick on with it, but it's still going to be operating on its standalone circuit with its own relay. So you're not going to be drawing any additional load. All it is simply a signal wire. And that is it, guys. Just as simple as that. So hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions on the install or any of the process whatsoever, always feel free to reach out to us, give us a call, or shoot us a message, or even leave us a comment down below. We actually check those pretty regularly, and we'll get back to you as quick as possible. Thank you.